Dyson curls or Sheglam curls. Today in this video, I'm going to demonstrate both kind of curls so that you can decide which one is your style. So let's get started. I'm going to partition my hair first. So my right side is going to be Dyson curls and my left side is going to be Sheglam curls. So I have clipped this side out of the way and I'm going to partition this side further into two more partitions. One very important thing to remember is for Sheglam curls, my hair has to be completely dry. And for Dyson curls, I'll have to make them wet and we will do that once I reach to this side. I had washed my hair yesterday and I have already applied a serum into my hair and I'm just going to start curling them with my Sheglam curler. Let me show you the curler first. This is the Sheglam curler. This is the button to switch it on and then you press up to change the modes like this temperature and then this temperature. This is the one which will curl to the left or to the right and this is the button to change the direction of the curling mode. We have to grip the hair into this part so that it starts curling when we press the button. I have switched it on and I'm setting the temperature to 190 degrees C. I will wait for the curler to become hot. It will give me a signal by beeping once or twice and I'll know that it's ready to start curling my hair. The curler has already beeped and it's ready to curl my hair. Now I've taken a small section, a not very thick or not very thin section. I want my curls in outward direction, so I have set the button to the direction which I want, to the outward direction. And now I'm going to insert the section into this part and then just click on the button to start curling like this. I'll wait for the curl to beep twice, which will give me a signal that the curl is ready and I can remove the curler. So we'll wait for that. It's done. So this is the kind of curl I've got from Sheglam curler and you had seen how quick it was. I'll keep taking sections of same thickness and keep curling my hair in the same way I did the first one. Stop, wait for the beep sound and then remove it. Done. Here is the curl. We also have to keep in mind that there is a big difference in the price of Dyson and the Sheglam curl. I got this Sheglam curl 1 or 2 months back just for 54 dirhams and Dyson is around approximately 2000 dirhams. But then Dyson comes with 6 attachments where we can blow dry our hair, we can just dry our hair, we can remove the flyaways with one of the attachments. Then we have two kinds of rollers, thick ones and thin ones, although Sheglam is just one in itself. Other than that, Dyson uses very less heat, so the damage is very less. If you talk about temperature control, both of them have temperature control. So yeah, other than that, if we talk about how much time does it take to curl your hair, so both are really quick. Check out the curls, guys, and look at the speed of process. So I'm almost done from half of the section of my left side. And let's start the front side now. I'll just brush it off a little bit. So I'm starting the front part now. Beautiful curl. I bought this Sheglam curler from the official website of Sheglam Hair and I will put the link in the description so you can check it out over there. Now let's do our bang. As you can see that my hair is colored and you must have noticed that curling them enhances the look a lot more. Beautiful. Alright, so these are my Sheglam curler curls which just took 7 to 8 minutes to complete one whole side of my head. I'm going to leave them like this only and I'm going to start my Dyson side now. Let's talk a little bit about Dyson now. So Dyson, this is the on and off button and this will decide the temperature, like a temperature control button. You can see blue, orange and red and then this is the pressure of air. So very, very less, medium and a lot of air. And then there is a clip over here, like a button over here to pull it down and so I can attach the attachment on top of it. Let me show you how. Then there are two curling wands. This is the thicker one, this is the thinner one. The best part is that you don't have to remove them to change the direction. You can just twist it like this or like this to change the inward or outward direction. So let me show you how I attach it. This is a thinner one. So I just pull down the button from here and then just attach it. It's done, ready. So let's start curling with the thinner wand today. I normally do with a thicker wand because I like really bouncy curls. But because the Sheglam curls are quite thin and precise, sharp curls, let's go for the thinner wand today. And yes, so the most important thing, we need to make our hair wet before curling your hair with the Dyson because it only works on wet hair and your hair should be 70% dried. But I don't keep them 70% dried. I keep them 50% wet and 50% dried. I'm going to use this Color Wow Dream Coat solution to make my hair wet. It is a supernatural spray which magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. So I'm gonna use this on my hair to make them wet. The spray thing is broken, so I just have to put it in my hand and then make a mess on the ground and then make my hair wet. So I'll do this at least 3 times so they're really wet. Especially the ends, not the roots. I think they're still dry. I need to make them more wet. So I have taken the partition of the same thickness that I took from the other side. Then I want my hair to be in outward direction, so I'm changing the side. I'll hold my hair like this, put it, let me see the temperature. The temperature and the wind pressure both are on high speed. It takes my hair. My tip is that I don't give it a cool shot. We can give it a cool shot by pushing this up like this. But I don't give it a cool shot because I don't know why my curls don't last. If I give a cool shot to my hair, I just give them around 15 to 20 seconds of hot shot and then I just leave it like that. So this is the Dyson curl. Here, let me do some more for you. I was really excited when I first got Dyson because it was making waves over the internet. It was a birthday gift from my husband to me. Let me tell you that Dyson Airwrap is really user-friendly. You will get a hang of it in just the first use. The best part is that Dyson is designed to style your hair as well as protect them while styling. ये Dyson के curls हैं जो कि बिल्कुल fresh हैं. Look at the bounce. I just love them. बहुत थिक हो गया पार्टीशन, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रैंड बहुत थिक हो गया, थोड़ा सा पतला कर लेते हैं. Yes, this is good. No, this is good. Another good thing about Dyson is that it is not just a curler. You can blow dry your hair with Dyson. You can straighten your hair with Dyson. You can just air dry your hair with Dyson. You can curl them in 2 different modes. And you can also remove the flyaways from your head with Dyson. अब ये छोटा वाला रह गया ना, ये थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो गया. इसको भी थोड़ा वेट करती हूँ और फिर इसको कर्ल करती हूँ. But one thing which is tricky about Dyson is to learn how to make your curls or your blowout last. Alright guys, so you can see a drastic difference between the Sheglam curls and Dyson curls. Honestly speaking, I love both the curls. I don't know why, but Dyson curls gives a lot of volume, a lot of bounce, a lot of, that dramatic look to your hair. So when it's a grand party or a big gathering, I go for Dyson curls. And when I'm in a mood to just quickly go for shopping or just to a coffee date with a friend or something, I go for Sheglam curls. बालों की प्रोटेक्शन के लिए मैं ये Olaplex का bonding oil number 7 यूज करती हूँ. I'll just take few drops, like 3 to 4 drops in my palm, rub it between them, and then just go slowly through my curls. Let me show you the look from back also. Naturally, my hair is wavy and gets frizzy over time, but when I curl my hair with Dyson or with Sheglam, it becomes so much manageable and glamorous too. By the way, which one do you like? Which one do you prefer? Now you can decide your style. Please let me know in the comment section, how did you like this video? Which curling style is your style, Sheglam or Dyson?